this is Melissa Armo with the Stock Swoosh, and I am so excited and so happy to tell you about the new, brand new Stock Swoosh trading room. That's right, you asked for it, and I'm doing it. So I hope you guys are as excited as me, because I had lots and lots of people that want me to do a trading room and want to hear my live calls, and we are going to do it. If you're interested, contact me at info@thestockswoosh.com. You can go to YouTube and look at any of my videos there. And I would love you to text 32665. Text to that number. You put in the 2 on your phone and text 32665 and put like the Stock Swoosh. And that likes us on Facebook. I'd love your support. So why become a room member? There's lots of reasons. To get a good stock picks in the morning, to learn about gaps, to get a market call every morning. Every morning I'm going to get up and I'm going to call the market. We're going to look at the cues, we're going to look at the spies, we're going to see where the market's gapping. The market gaps every day. And we're going to look at the market gap just like we analyze normal gaps. So it'll be very, very exciting. Also, to be in a room with professional traders. That's important. You learn from professional people. And to get live supporting your trading questions on the day. Also, to help assist you in trading more efficiently. It's very, very important. To help you stay focused and disciplined, and I'm going to be serious about this. And to help you become profitable by learning how to make money and book money trading. There is nothing more important than booking money when you are up money in a trade and making sure you make money in your trades. It's all about results. My Stock Swoosh trading room is going to be about results. We are not going to play crap. We're going to play stuff that works. We're going to play stuff that I play that has high odds of working. This is going to be about making money. I am 100% conviction about making money trading, and we got to do it right. I am not going to trade if there's nothing good in the room. I'll teach that day, and if there's something good, we're going to play it, and we're going to play it hard, and we're going to nail it. We're going to get it right. This is about results. There's not playing around here. This is going to be a serious trading room. It's going to be about results. Results is what you need. That's what we're doing this for. Hey, I love trading. Trading is fun, fun, fun. But at the end of the day, I got to get results. That's the reason I'm doing it, and that's the reason I want you to do it too. The room schedule is going to be from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. market review and gap analysis. From 9 a.m. to 9:30, I'm going to double, triple check gaps, which is what I normally do, and decide which of the top watches for the morning to trade. And I make my decision when I'm trading. If I haven't made it by then, if I'm looking at a couple of gaps, I decide between 9 and 9:30. That's a very serious, important time for me. I'm making the decisions then. From 9:30 to 11 a.m. then, we're trading. And I'm going to call my trades and exits. And from 11 a.m. to noon, I'm going to do a trade review for the day and the stuff that we did. We're going to go back and we're going to see the things that worked, the things that didn't work, and we're going to review everything and go over the entries and exits. So the reasons to join the room, lots of reasons to join the room. Plan of action. You're going to get it in the room. Focus. You are going to get so much focus in this room, you don't know what to do with yourself. There's going to be no question what you should be doing because I'm going to teach you. Focus on this. Watch it. This is a good pick. I'm also going to do teaching in the room, and I'm going to do a lot of motivation because I believe that this is important. It's important, and a lot of rooms don't do that. They just do live trading calls. Some of them do teaching, some of them don't, but we are going to teach. I'm going to teach in the room, and it's going to be highly motivational. That is very important, very important. Some days you don't have a good day, and you got to stay motivated. You got to stay on the ball. You got to bring it back around. I also have very good technical analysis skills, and I'm going to talk a lot about technical analysis in the room. So if you want to sharpen your technical analysis skills, this is the room to do it. You're going to learn how to read charts better too, through me. And I'm also going to teach you to get conviction because I have it. I have it for my gaps, I have it for my strategy, I have it for the market, and I have it for trading. And to make money. The reason to join the room is to make money. If you want to get something out of this room, it's to come to the room to help stay focused, to see what you can watch in the day to play, to trade, to make money. I can't press the buttons for you, but I'm going to do everything I can next to that. So there's going to be an opportunity for you to profit by being in the room. I'm also going to force you to tap into the power of your brain. I'm going to make you think about things, and that's how you're going to learn. And And more importantly, you're going to learn about the power of the market in this room. So the reasons to take the room are a plan of action, to help you have a plan of action for your trading on the day, to help you have a plan of action for the stock you were trading and how it should set up and be traded. Do you know that when I get up in the morning and say, how do I want this thing to set up? I actually say I have a crystal ball. Every morning I take my crystal ball and I say, what do I want the ideal setup for this to be? Boom. And if it does what I want it to do, I'm all in. Another reason to take the room is teaching. I am going to teach in this room. It's just a natural thing that happens when I'm talking about charts. It just comes out naturally to me. I really think that that's the reason that I ended up deciding to teach in the first place or even do the room, is because people do learn from me. And I'm grateful for that skill. And it's helping people. And you will be part of that if you decide to join the room. You will learn things through my teachings, just every day normal trading and chart review. And then once in a while, I'll do special classes on different topics. And that's going to be exciting too. It's just going to be a whole different kind of thing. Because some of the things I'm going to talk about in the room might not have anything to do with charts after we're done trading. I might do a class one day or a mini little teaching schedule on something else, like money, for example, like fear, power, things like this, things that are important and things that traders need. I know because I needed them when I was starting out. I needed them when I was trading, and I still need them now. I still need someone to remind me every once in a while about the value of money, how to respect the money in the market, how not to get greedy, to make sure you book it and do the right thing. All of these things are important. Constantly reiterate ourselves to stay in a positive frame of mind. One of the greatest skills I think I have is my technical analysis skills. And technical analysis works. The Stock Swoosh trading room will teach technical analysis during trade reviews. Technical analysis will be used in live trade calls. And as a room member, you will see live technical analysis working in action. So if you didn't believe it, you will after becoming a member of this room, because I'm going to show it to you. Stock's the gap of a chart precision that is very unique in the market, and you will learn how to read this in the Stock Swoosh trading room. Chart reading. The Stock Swoosh trading room is going to be full of charts. The room will be focused on price action in live charts. The room will be focused on teaching you how to better read charts and the candlesticks in a way you might never learn anywhere else. Here's the thing. You've got to get good at reading charts. And if you want to get better at reading charts, this room will help you. Just being a member in this room will help you, because I am a good chart reader. And you've got to get good at it. What is the difference between a rally and people buying something? If the stock is in a downtrend, how do you know when it's flipping around the difference between a rally or actual buying? I can tell the difference when I'm reading the candles, when I'm reading the charts. This is the kind of stuff you're going to learn from me. It's a skill. Chart reading is a skill. And I say this all the time. There is no substitute for your own studying of charts, learning them yourself. But if you have someone to help teach you, it's better. And sometimes you could stare at different charts for weeks and days and months and not see something. And then you can meet someone else like me who studied charts for a long, long time and studied thousands of them that will see something and make it clear for you in a way that you've been missing it. And again, it's something that you have to practice. It's something that you have to get good at. Conviction. This is my favorite one. This may be my favorite reason for you to join the room. You need a plan of action. You need a plan of action in place in order to be successful trading. You need conviction in order to make money trading. And you absolutely must have conviction to achieve success. The Stock Swoosh trading room will help give you conviction in your trading. It will help you give conviction in your trading and your market. Making money together. Success builds on itself. Working with positive people is what you need. It's what everyone needs. Me, you, this guy over here, this guy to the right, this guy to the left. We have to be positive, and we have to work together. It's more fun making money together than alone. And everything I do in my classes and my teachings is about growing a positive reinforcement and energy in yourself and your trading and the market. Making money with other people is more fun than making it alone. Hey, if we can all get wealthy trading together, let's do it. I am a firm believer in having a strong, positive brain and working your brain, working it like a muscle. And we're going to do that in my room. We are going to work our brains. Your brain is going to stretch for the information I teach you, and then it's going to come in again. And every time it stretches out with new information, it's going to expand. It's going to expand and expand and expand. And all of a sudden, the first time it stretches, it might hurt a little bit, but then it'll bounce back. And the next time, then it won't hurt so much. And the next time, and the next time, and the next time, all of a sudden your brain is expanding so fast that you can barely keep up the pace of it. And you know what happens during that whole time? Your trading is getting better. And you're making more money. And you're seeing things more clear in your decisions and the market. And it all goes together. It's about having a positive mental attitude, reinforcement for a healthy mental attitude about trading, a wealth consciousness. A wealth consciousness is what you need. A positive attitude about the market, about money, and about trading. It is a complete trading room for your success. Stock Swoosh Trading Room is a complete trading room for your success, just like my Golden Gap class is a complete strategy and a complete class for everything you need to do to make money trading. It's about completeness. I am very big on that. You must have every piece of the puzzle together to be successful trading. You gotta have it. And maybe this room is one of the pieces for you, because if you're doing it alone and you need help, you might need the support of a room. Some people don't. Personally, I've been trading alone now for a while, and I do it. But some people need the support of a room, and I'm realizing more and more because people keep emailing me and ask me to do the room that people need the support. I can talk when I trade. I can do it, you know, so I'm going to be here to support you guys while you're trading. But we're going to be focused. We are going to be so focused, and this is going to be another benefit to the room. Because sometimes when you're alone and you're doing it by yourself, you lose focus. You get distracted. Somebody calls. You have the TV on. You know, you get an email, whatever. No. We are going to be focused on what we're doing. We're going to be serious traders. This is really going to be focused, and I'm going to bring you back around and make you focus on what you're doing. This has never been a better time to trade my strategy. I didn't even realize this when I created this thing in the last 3 years, that the market was going to turn into being such a beautiful thing to support everything I've done. And that's exactly what's happening right now. And it's going to keep getting better and better and better and better and better and better. You've got to be a part of something that is working, that is supporting a strategy where the market is moving in this direction to help everything work. And even if you like to play longs, and even if you like to do other different types of strategies, you're still going to get a lot out of the room because you're going to learn about gaps. And I'm telling you right now, I don't care what strategy you play. I don't care what medium you even trade. If you do not know how to read gaps, you're doing yourself a disservice by trading. You need to learn how to trade gaps and read gaps in order to give your trading an edge, no matter what you're doing, because it will give your trading an edge. Play them out like me. But if you don't want to and want to do a different strategy or look at something else, you're going to learn about the market in the room, you're going to learn about technical analysis in the room, and you're going to learn about gaps. And I'm telling you, every single person that trades the stock market should know how to trade gaps. They should know how to read gaps. If they don't want to trade them, they should still know how to read them. That is what moves the market. The gaps are what moves the market. Because gaps change the direction of stocks. Gaps set the direction of stocks. Gaps are the ones that have the big money that are moving the things. When something trades on a gap day, it moves. And the market gaps too, and you have to know how to read these. Just like the last gap in the market. This gap here today started the move of the market, fell down, and today the market fell again too. This gap that happened back on this day, I forget the date here, continued this move. Now we're still in it now. We're still in this down move now from this bearish gap right here. You must learn how to read these things. It's so important. So important. I can't stress enough to you how to know how to read gaps. The market is a sea of money. A sea of money. And we are going to make sure that in this room, we call out trades that work so we can just jump into the sea, take our monies, boop, and go home. This is the kind of thing we're going to look at in the room. This is the stock I played this week. It was WFT. It's beautiful. Absolutely fabulous. Look at that thing. Just love that thing there. This is on the 13th. It was beautiful. If I had a room the day this gapped, I would have called it. I played it, and everybody would have made money. Here's the 1 minute chart where I got in this thing right here. Boom! I got the drop, got out, waited to the second setup, got it in here, took it down. It was like easy peasy. I tell you, when the market gives you gaps like this, all you do is just roll out of bed in the morning and you say, thank you, market. Thank you, market, for providing everything I need. And you play it. Do you believe in yourself? If you don't believe in yourself, you're going to learn to believe in yourself in this room. You are going to understand the power within you to do this. Nobody's going to be giving up. Nobody's going to be quitting. You're going to buckle down. If you make a mistake, you're going to fight back to get that money back in the day. I want people to make money in my room. Don't want people to lose. And you got to believe in yourself. That's what you have to do. Some days it's not a good day. You just take your losses and you say, well, fine, nothing worked right today. But you don't belittle yourself. You get up the next day, you do the right thing. So one day you make a mistake, tomorrow you get up and you correct it and you just don't do it again and you learn from your mistakes. This is about believing in yourself, loving yourself through the learning curve of learning how to trade. And of course, the things that I'm going to be calling of the day, you can take as swing trades. I mean, they follow through. The market followed through. IAG followed through. It was yesterday's play. Groupon's been following through since the first time I played this gap for months and months and months. And these shoes are just beautiful. I mean, you can get the benefit of being in the room and just play the gaps that I play for core trades that I play on the day as day trades. The philosophy behind the trading room is number 1, good gaps to trade on the day. 2, clear direction and focus for your trading day. 3, teach you to trade with conviction. 4, precise and clean stock picks. 5, teach technical analysis. And 6, teach you to make and book money. You make it, book it, stop. Make it, book it, stop. Have to book it. So here we have a beautiful field of tulips. This is opportunity. Opportunity awaits you if you want to join the Stock Swoosh Trading Room. Here it is. Here it is. The Stock Swoosh Trading Room equals results. This is going to be us. We're all going to be taking the money home. So here it is. The Stock Swoosh Live Trading Room. The first 3 days are going to be free for everybody if you sign up. The 28th, the 29th, the 30th, it's the last days of the month of November, the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The hour is going to be 8 a.m. to noon. Then beginning December 30 will be a subscription room only. No one will have free access. It will be a monthly room fee for students who have taken the Golden Gap class already. It will be $200. And for non-students, the fee will be $250. If you're interested, please contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com or info@thestockswoosh.com. This is a new approach to trading rooms. What do I mean by that? First of all, we're not going to trade all day. We're going to trade from 8 to 12. We're going to look at the market, we're going to look at gaps, and we're going to trade and we're going to review what we did, and then we're going to get on with our day. This is about doing something perfectly, or as close to perfect as we can, with whatever the market gives us on the day, making our money and stopping. It is also going to be a new approach in a sense that I am going to teach things that are important that go beyond the charts. The charts are going to be huge. And I know a lot about reading charts. And I have great skills that you're going to learn from me being in the room. But we're going to go beyond that. We're going to go beyond that, and you'll understand what you mean when you start to be in my room. So I hope to see you there. Sign up. I'd love to have anyone come that is interested in learning, that is serious about trading, that wants to make money in the market, that wants to get some conviction in their trading and making money in their life. Let's do it. And I will see you there.